Hello, in this video we want to explain to you about the selection of the sensor model according to your needs. So stay with me. To choose the sensor model we need to see what we need in the industry. According to you, the need we have to choose the sensor model. This is an induction sensor and this is the data sheet of the sensor. According to the sensor model, these data sheets are different. For a PRL18-8DP name is written on the electronics envelope of the sensor. This name is written according to the information of the sensor. Now I want to explain to you one by one. Consider a square for each letter. That 11 square should be considering. In the first square, write in the word item. It's clear that the sensor is capacitive or inductive. If the first letter is a C, this is the capacitive sensor, and if it is the P, this sensor is the inductive sensor. Okay? Yeah, yeah. C is a capacitive, and P is the inductive. This sensor displays the letter P. In the next square, you must specify the appearance of the sensor. Because the sensor is cylindrical, it is a display with the letter R. So here we display the letter R. So whatever the second letter is R, the appearance of the sensor is like this. The third square shows the feature of the sensor. So the third square shows the feature of the sensor which are displayed with the letters A and D, which according to these special characteristics, this square is filled when the sensor is empty because it doesn't have these special features. So we leave this part blank. The fourth square corresponds to the communication cable of this sensor, which shows the length of the sensor cable with the letter L or S2. L is a big and S is a short. That is a sensor cable is a L. It is related to the size of the cable. The next point is a body size. The fifth square is body size, which shows the size of the sensor cylinder, which is a long body and short body. Okay, and the sixth square is related to the sensor cap, which indicates whether the sensor is a wire or two wire. If the display is the letter T, it is a two wire, and if it is empty, it is a three wires. They are three blue, brown, and black wires on the sensor. The seventh square is a dimeasure. Here is shows a diameter of the sensor opening, which is displayed as a 18 for the sensor. These diameters are available in different types. This sensor has an opening diameter of 11 millimeter. Yeah, 18 millimeter. The length, the eighth square is related to the distance that the sensor can sense. 8 millimeter number is written for the sensor. That is, the sensor detects up to 8 millimeter and doesn't detect more than 8. So if there is a metal object up to 8 millimeter ahead of the sensor senses it. The knife square displays the letter D. For the sensor, this square displays the output voltage model, which is displays the letters D and X and A, which is it shows the letter D from 12 volts to 24 volts DC, which shows the letters X from 12 volt to 24 volt DC, which is a nonpolar, which shows the letter A from 110 volts to 204 volts AC. Or displays from 100 volts to 240 volts AC. So if it is displayed with the letter D, it is a 24 volts DC. After the letters A, displayed is 220 volt AC. The tenor square corresponds to the output type, which is related to the type of output, and the sensor model is displayed with the letter P. You have to measure and order the model you want. If it is displayed with the letter P, it is a PNP model. If it is displayed with the letter N, it is an NPN model. N shows only normally open of NPN model. If it is the N2, N normally close displays the NPN model. That P displays only normally open of PNP model. If P2 only displays normal close of PNP model. So you should pay attention to the point. And the last square is related to the cable standards, which is displayed with the letters V or IV. So in the first square, it shows that if the letters is a C, the sensor is capacitive, and if it is the P, it is inductive. This square shows the appearance of the sensor. The third square shows the special features of the sensor. Uh, this that is the sensor is empty and it is displayed with the letters A and D. The fourth square is related to the type of the communication. The letter L is related to the body size, which is displayed in a large size. The sixth square is related to the two wire or three wires of the sensor. The seventh square shows the diameter of the sensor opening. The eighth square shows the detectable distance, and these two squares are both in millimeters. The ninth square of the working voltage of this sensor is displayed. If it was D, it is the 24 volt DC. If it was X, it is a 24 voltage DC nonpolar. If it is A, the 220 volt AC. The 10 square displays the output type, which if a P is a PNP normally open, if P2 is a PNP normally closed, and if it is an NPN is normally open, if it is an N2, NPN is normally closed. Well, this was a complete explanation about the choosing a sensor according to these specifications. And in the next video, we will run a project with this sensor. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.